Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and you are welcome to Bee's Kitchen's family. So guys, I am here today with yet another simple recipe. I'm going to show you how I make my jerk chicken Rasta pasta. If you love pasta and you love jerk chicken, then this recipe is right up your street. Let's get started. For this recipe, I will be using the following ingredients. I have some minced garlic, chopped onions, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, spring onions. I have my homemade jerk sauce. I have the recipe on this channel. Click on the suggested link which has appeared above. I have my chicken breast, plain flour, butter, dried thyme. I have whole milk, double cream. I'm also using two types of cheese. I have cheddar cheese and double Gloucester cheese. I have penne pasta, adobo seasoning, Badia complete seasoning, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, aromat chicken seasoning, garlic granules, onion granules, smoked paprika, olive oil, and jumbo crayfish flavoring stock. I will list everything in the description below. I am now going to season the chicken using onion granules, garlic granules, chicken seasoning, black pepper, adobo seasoning, Badia complete seasoning, olive oil, and my homemade jerk sauce. I'll mix everything together. I will set this aside and allow the chicken to marinate for 20 minutes. If you have enough time, you can allow the chicken to marinate preferably overnight or for at least 2 hours. I'm now going to grill my chicken in the oven. I'm placing the chicken on my baking rack, which I will place in the oven at 200 degrees and allow the chicken to grill for 10 to 15 minutes. Guys, try not to overcook your chicken breast because it will be very dry. As the chicken is grilling away, time to start on a Rasta pasta. I've added enough water to my pot. Now I'm seasoning the water using salt. Next, I'll allow the water to come to a boil, and then I will be adding in my penne pasta. I will then allow the pasta to cook as per the cooking instructions on the packaging. I am now going to saute the vegetables which I will add to the Rasta pasta. To my pan, I've added a little bit of olive oil and I'm going to allow the oil to come to heat. Next, I'm going to add in all the bell peppers and the spring onions. I will then be seasoning the vegetables using aromat. I will also add in the dried thyme and allow the vegetables to saute for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm not going to allow the vegetable to cook for too long because I still want some crunch to it. In a separate pan, I'm now going to add the butter and I'll allow the butter to melt. Next, I will add the chopped onions and minced garlic and saute until fragrant and translucent. Onions and garlic is so nice and fragrant. I'm now about to change my spoon to a whisk because I'm about to start on a white sauce. The whisk is going to ensure that there are no lumps in the sauce. I've now added the plain flour and I'm mixing everything together. Please ensure that at this stage your heat is on low to medium and not high. If your heat is high, once you add in the milk, the sauce can curdle. I've now added the milk and next I will be adding the double cream. I am now going to season the sauce using my all-purpose seasoning, smoked paprika, black pepper, jumbo crayfish flavouring stock and the jerk sauce. I'll then mix everything together before I add the cheese. After adding the cheese and mixing everything together, just look at how creamy and cheesy this sauce is looking right now. Next, I will be adding the sauteed vegetables. I will then mix everything together before I add the cooked pasta. Guys, at this point the sauce smells so good, you could really smell the jerk sauce which I added earlier on. I am now going to add in the cooked pasta and then I'll mix everything together. Guys, the Rasta pasta is ready. The jerk chicken is also ready. All I'm going to do is plate up and enjoy. Who said carb is bad for you? Thank you guys so much for joining me once again in my kitchen. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below if you have any questions, subscribe to this channel, and please turn on your bell notification icon, which will notify you every time I post a new video. And I'll see you next time. Bye.